We're asked to solve this quadratic equation, but we're told to give our answers in simplified third form. That's code for this is not going to factorize. So we've got two options. We can either use the quadratic formula or we can complete the square. So I'll show you both because completing the square is actually probably a bit quicker without a calculator. X minus 3 squared minus 9 minus 2 equals 0. I have the minus 6 to give me the minus 3, and I have the minus 9 because at the moment I've got x squared minus 6x plus 9. That's going to mean that x minus 3 squared is equal to 11, because this is minus 11, add it to both sides. So x minus 3, if I square root, is going to be plus or minus the square root of 11. And therefore x is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 11. Let's just use the quadratic formula as well, in which case we'd get x is equal to minus b, so that's 6 plus or minus b squared, minus 6 squared, minus 4ac. I'm assuming you know all this, a, b, and c. I've not even written the quadratic formula down. Maybe I should have done that. Okay, just make sure you know it. In this case, divided by 2. So I'm going to get 6 plus, oh sorry, I forgot the square root. 6 plus or minus, it's going to be the square root of 36, and then it's going to be plus 8, so it's going to be 44 square rooted over 2, which is going to be 3 plus or minus root 44 over root 4, which gets me the same answer, 3 plus or minus root 11. So similar amounts of effort, to be fair. We're then asked to find the gradient of the curve y equals x squared minus 6x minus 2. At the point where x is equal to minus 5. So the instantaneous gradient is found using dy by dx, and it's equal to 2x minus 6. I bring the power down, subtract 1 from the power, do similar here, although you've got to learn that when you have the x, you just get rid of it, because it's basically, it's a straight line graph, and the minus 2 doesn't have a gradient. That's the instantaneous gradient, so when x is equal to minus 5, the dy by dx is going to be minus 10, minus 6, minus 16. Nice.